Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle vodka. First, you'll need a 750 ml bottle of your favorite vodka and a 32-ounce jar of good quality dill pickles. The quality of your pickles truly makes all the difference here, so choose wisely. You'll also want a clean, airtight container, like a large mason jar, to hold your infusion. This simple method ensures a perfectly balanced and flavorful result every time. Now for the infusion process. Carefully drain the pickle juice from your jar. You can save this brine for other culinary adventures if you like. Next, pour the entire 750 ml bottle of vodka directly into the pickle jar, making sure all the pickles are completely covered. Seal the jar tightly with its lid. Then, find a cool, dark spot in your pantry or cupboard for it to infuse. Patience is key for perfect pickle vodka. Let the vodka infuse for a minimum of 24 hours for a light pickle essence. If you prefer a more robust flavor, you can extend the infusion up to 72 hours, tasting it every 12 to 24 hours to reach your desired intensity. Once infused to your liking, strain the vodka through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bottle, discarding the pickles. Your homemade pickle vodka is now ready to enjoy. Serve it well chilled, either neat as a shot or as a distinctive base for your favorite cocktails. It's fantastic in a Bloody Mary or as a unique twist in a dirty martini. This versatile spirit also complements savory appetizers beautifully. And speaking of making things easy, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.